Just a quick video of the little 124 mini Mofo bouncers and something special and new I just finished. The mini 6x6 24 scale. And this little guy has, the way I did it, it has two engines instead of trying to create a whole transmission for it with two outputs and then having to have a little carrier pass through and all that stuff, or trying to jack with the axles to make pass-throughs in the axles. I put a second motor in here and a little Y harness to connect both of them, and so you get totally independent travel between them still. You don't have to worry about any drive shafts falling off or anything like that. And you get this cool looking little cage design for the back. A little flatbed. And just like all the original 24s, the body hinges up. So the two motors connect together and then plug into the ESC. I haven't tested it very long yet because I just finished it this morning. So far everything's been working good. I'm hoping that the ESC can handle running two motors. The second motor just powers the rear, and it's basically just one of the skid plates with the transmission on it. And then I did some custom links for the rear axle, as well as the little little frame braces here and the cage parts for the back, and the bed and the little roll bar. And this is basically just the C10, and you just cut the back half of the bed off, and I created this little bracket that bolts right in here to hold the body on and everything, and make it, you know, a little nicer looking. It doesn't have the big hole back here. It's got something covering that part. So that's the 24 mini, I guess maybe I'd call it the Mini Big Boy. I don't know, the Big Boy kit I make for the full size. Maybe I'd call it the Mini Big Boy. It doesn't really have the divorce kit on it, other than the fact it doesn't have anything connecting the two. And here's the little micro bouncer cages I made. This one is painted red. They're ABS plastic, so they're sandable and paintable and everything. And then this one is black, just the natural plastic, the way it comes out. And this one's on a CRC Jeep links setup. The little cage just bolts directly right to everything. You don't have to change anything. You just move some stuff around. And this one is on the deadbolt link setup. You can see it's stretched out a little more. A little different look than the other one, just the way the links mount. You know, the links on the deadbolt are much longer in the back and shorter in the front, whereas these are kind of medium and medium for the CRC Jeep. I think the C10 is the same as the CRC Jeep. I haven't actually measured them all, but this is basically just a stock C10, and then I used a rear axle from a deadbolt and then made the links for it. I'll try and do a little driving on it. I don't know how good it's going to be with one hand, but without any body clips holding the hood on. But we'll try it and see. Wish I had a cool little course to drive this on. I'm just kind of standing in my front yard right now. Well, that's going to do it for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.